think it's very important to keep a balance between what things you are good at it and what things passionate or the values that you have, and try to keep a balance between those and don't lose those from your objective. I think in my case, as a market intelligence analyst, you can grow into the marketing part and developing that part more. You can work as a product marketing or a product manager to develop those skills better, or you can just grow the market intelligence as a discipline. So it's make it a bit more extensive, interact with more teams, and just have something as a more cross-platform within the company. So definitely, there's a lot of different possibilities for as a market intelligence analyst. In my case, what it worked very well was to start with an internship. So I was studying in a university in Wageningen. I found an opening for an internship, which I found very interesting. I applied for the internship, I got it. It was originally for 5 months, the internship, but since I like it a lot, I also talked with my supervisor to do my thesis on top of that. So at the end, I was doing my internship for 5 months, I delivered that report, and I did my thesis in the same company for 4 additional months. So that gave me a period of 9 months to really prove myself to the company. I can work to the level that it's required. I can work with the people inside. I start to build my relationships in that period. So, lucky for me, there was an opening for a position just at the end of my internship period, which I applied for. There was other people applying from outside, but I think what gives you an additional advantage is that you already been working in the company. So I think there are 3 main important points when applying for a job. I think the first one is really knowing about the industry where the company plays. The second one is to know about your role as itself, so know how to do your job. And the third one is really about knowing how the culture of the company, how the company works from within. Having that period of time prior my applying to a real job, let's say, that really gives me an advantage because I really know how to work with people within the company. I already know how to do the job, and I already know about the industry itself. So that gives me an advantage compared to external people applying for the same job. So that's why I believe applying for an internship and try to definitely do your best during that internship gives you a lot of exposure to the company from within, and I think that raises the opportunities for you to get a job. A good tip would be for people who are still in university is to always try to find a good internship. I think finding a good internship is really one of the best way to open the door to a company and to prove to that company that you're worthy, that you're a person who actually has the required skills and the knowledge. And sometimes it's also good to maybe link it with your thesis so you can do it even longer. I think an internship is around 4 to 5 months, and your thesis process is also like 4 months. So you can even take a very long period within a company doing your internship and your thesis in the same company. That definitely gives you a better perspective of how the culture of the company and what are the kind of things that you will need to actually get a job in that company. Finally, during the interview, I think it's very important to be brief and to be bright, just to keep things short, to the point, not try to overfill the answers. But I think in Netherlands it's very appreciated when you can just give short answers, but with a lot of content.